This song right here is for anybody fighting addiction. Anybody tired of falling and getting back up just to fall again. Maybe drugs took your family, your peace,
maybe even yourself.
But hear me, God still wants you.
The chains still break.
Mama used to pray beside my bed. Daddy worked hard just to keep us fed. Had a good life till I chose them streets. Wrong crowd turned pain into a need. One hit turned into another night, till them drugs took over my whole life. Lost my family, lost my home, till all I had was the dope man phone. I became somebody I didn't know, burned every bridge for another dose. Then one night I looked up crying,
Lord, if you're real,
save my life.
I hit rock bottom with nowhere to go.
Oh, cold dark streets and a heart so broke.
But when the whole world left me alone,
God said, son,
come back home.
now these hands lifted to the sky, the same hands that used to steal and lie. If God could save a soul like mine, then anybody
Can't survive.
Mama finally let me through the door. Daddy hugged me like before. My children call my phone again, 'cause God made me whole again. Every scar became a testimony. Every chain fell off me slowly. Now I tell the world everywhere I go, there's healing when you come back home.
I hit rock bottom with nowhere to go.
But God's grace,
Pull me from below.
and if you feel too far gone tonight, just know His love,
Still reaches low.
you are not forgotten. You are not,
Too far gone.
and with God